Students at Woodside High School have set their goals high with the hopes of achieving new heights. Interested students were invited to meet and learn from the Newport News Police Department's drone team during the library's Wolverine Wednesday offerings. Officers talked about the different unmanned aerial systems they use to safely and effectively serve the community. As technology advances policing into the 21st century, drones assist officers with search and rescue, faster response times, tactical deployment, analyzing crime scenes from a new vantage point, and keeping people safe at large city events. Students were welcome to ask questions to the knowledgeable officers and explore the different thermal and night vision lenses on the various drones. The informative presentation was as much fun for the police officers to share about their careers as it was for the students to learn about new and exciting career paths.